We are here at the SESAR Joint Undertaking to discuss the findings of the CLASS project. CLASS stands for Clear Air Situation for UAS.
Well, the CLASS project was an idea that we're bringing from Airbus, saying that we're involved in air traffic management. So we are managing some systems, especially the tactical deconfliction. So the idea was what Airbus can bring to the emerging drone traffic. So we got the idea to bring in a tracker. So we equip a drone with a device transmitting the ID position. So just want to turn drones visible to improve the safety.
Availent is a radar company. Here we specialize in the holographic technology, which is a steering radar which allows us to provide surveillance on very challenging targets. As part of the CLASS project, we were doing this role for the drone surveillance targets.
The role of NTNU in the CLASS project is creating of data fusion algorithm for the non-cooperative and cooperative data tracks.
The role of ENAC in the CLASS project is to design the use case scenarios and to fly drones for the live trials.
The Unify system combines the data from all these sources and displays them in a user-friendly interface.
The work in the CLASS project is collecting different sources of tracking drones into a single sky picture, so we can know where they are, we can track where they're going. This is really a key enabler for U-Space, along with the other sibling projects, in order for us to be able to identify and deconflict drones around our airspace.
The CLASS project has drawn to a close, but the sibling projects continue their research to make drone traffic a reality.